Previously on MPN Boilers Clean Fight.
Okay, so New York Geo 2025. This guy built the trailer in record time. We're here to show it off.
I'm glad we get to do this here in this environment. It's working out kinks and figuring out what we need to do for when we're in New York City and really want to show it off to very important customers and clients.
It's a cool day for the future of clean energy.
They are going places. We want to see this really take off. That is heat pump energy right there.
We're here at our Mount Vernon warehouse today for the opening of our new sales and service facility. We want to celebrate Miller Proctor Nickolas being closer to New York City. This new facility represents our presence in New York as the leader in the heating market.
We have the trailer fully built out, ready to showcase our steam solution for New York City buildings. I've been showcasing this to some financial people. A lot of these buildings want to improve, want to decarbonize, so we bring in partners to really help the speed of the process.
Today's a demo day in Long Island City in Queens, New York. We're actually going down to a major developer to one of their buildings looking to comply with local law 97 by moving some of their load from boilers to heat pumps. And now I'm going to hit the road down to Long Island City. Towing this trailer around New York City is a challenge. You got to be very, very careful about what roads you take. A lot of bad things can happen quickly.
Today we're here for our demonstration at Rock Rose. They represent a lot of multi-family buildings, residential, high-rises. This attacks that market. Frankenstein's monster over here. The mobile trailer was designed to demonstrate a heat pump with steam, but today I am using it for cooling. It's great to have cooling at the same time you have heating. We have added 4 blueprints with tailoring graphics for the buildings for local law 97. So it's not just the trailer anymore, it's also the finance side that goes along with the technical.
I personally know Rock Rose now for 20 years. We have a solution that could work very, very well with the existing boilers and save them a lot of money in terms of operating costs.
Free energy that is just being wasted. We're able to use it in the heat pumps and significantly reduce your fuel and gas bills. Fortunately, what we got today was a lot of interest, saying, wow, this is really easy to put this equipment into our building and get instant results.
So these are the smallest standard units. Today went off without a hitch. We talked to everyone. The feedback is a little too good, if anything. The one thing is that it's too hot. I think the big challenge for me is trying to figure out how to get it cooler in there. But otherwise, really good.
Having these units is going to be a completely different ball game from what we're used to with boilers. Can't wait to see what happens. This is going to be very interesting, and it's a whole new world now.
I'm the resident manager over here at 4310 Crescent Street. There's a very strong push right now to ensure that all of the buildings are a lot more environmentally friendly. So having companies such as MPN start developing systems that will help us meet those environmental goals it's huge for us.
Great, thanks a lot.
Yeah, appreciate it.
We started talking about the grocery store located right next to the building, and the grocery store's got huge freezers and refrigeration. We have the ability to actually recapture that heat, make domestic hot water. If everything's all dialed in properly, they can turn their boilers off for the summer. There's enough interest to push projects like this ahead quickly because of the amount of money that could be saved in operations. Today went really, really well. We're going to go home, we're going to refine a couple of things, and next week we're heading to the Empire State Building. Today, we get the pleasure of being at the Empire State Building, and we have our trailer set up.
The generator was late today, the truck was late today, so everything's going right. Exactly the kind of day I thought it was going to be. Well, of course, today this pump is deciding to not play nice with me. We implemented a geothermal loop that is a drink cooler. In the process of hooking that up, we lost a lot of water pressure, and so we were having a lot of issues getting suction back on the pumps. can do it. You can do it. Luckily, all the people at the Empire State Building have been very kind, and so they let me use their water hose, and I was able to replenish our water connection. All right.
And it looks like we're back in business.
Today, on this 100-degree summer day, we are producing steam with our heat pump trailer. Should be a fun day.
Everybody involved in the Empire Technology Prize from behind the scenes who supported, who will be judging the solutions, are going to show up today talking about sustainability in general, promoting Local Law 97, decarbonization, and we're just excited to show our part in it and see what they think. The solar panels on top are also a source.
These have built-in real-time energy tracking.
MPN's steam producing trailer is fantastic. It's often very hard for people to be able to see these new solutions in action. Amazing way to showcase how this very, very new and exciting solution could apply to many, many different buildings in the city.
Seeing MPN boilers represent a Finnish company like Boiler so well, there's tremendous opportunity for growth.
I think it's super exciting to see MPN boilers are a finalist at the Empire Technology Prize.
We do appreciate Miller Proctor Nickolas' support on existing boiler projects and their commitment to providing electrification solutions and options for legacy distribution systems.
We can do a whole lot of good with the system that we have. Tons of different avenues for heat sources, renewables, really exciting stuff to share with everybody.
Hopefully it gave everyone a lot of confidence in the ability that this kind of thing can be done in any building. This was the last push for the Empire Technology Prize. It ends this weekend. And we come back in August to hear the news.
What do you think, bud?
This is the closeout. This is
Full success.
On the next MPN Clean Fight.
This meeting marks the end of the Empire Technology Prize. We should expect to hear back from them in the last 2 weeks of August.
It sounds like we've got a lot of market demand. Is it the right way to approach the market as a boiler company in representing a sustainable solution?
Delivering a sustainability message is going to be key, and it could result in us needing to change some things up.
We now have a skeletal structure for a holding organization to consider creating another vertical, and a vertical that could be focused on sustainability. This is something we might want to think about.
More to come on the next MPN Clean Fight.